Hello, and welcome to Jerry Pate Company's instructional videos for our new JPOnline order management system. Today, we'll be providing informational instructions to help you, our valued customer, navigate our JPOnline system in order to help you and your employees find the information and items you're looking for efficiently and effectively. Our topic for this video is using the Order Express feature to enter orders. We'll do this in three different ways. One, the conventional method through manual entry. Two, copy and pasting from an outside source. And three, uploading from an Excel spreadsheet. In each scenario, we'll take a look at superseded items and how discontinued or invalid item numbers affect the order entry process. In this scenario, we'll be entering an order through Order Express using the conventional data entry method. We'll start by going to Order Express in the menu bar, entering our purchase order number, going to the first row under the product number, and manually entering from our keypad 93-4263. Hit the Tab key, and we're going to want 3 of those. Hit the Tab key again, and the description, your price, and the subtotal based on the quantity will pre-populate based on the data. As you can see, the cursor moves to row 2, and for row 2 we'll enter a part number that is superseded. Supersedures mean that the part number is no longer available, but it's been replaced with a new number from the manufacturer. We'll start by entering the superseded part number, A0210000740, hitting the Tab key, quantity 1, hitting Tab key again, and you can see the system functions the same way. It pre-populates a description, your price, and the subtotal based on the quantity requested. The only difference here is the description populated says use A0210000742. So what we'll do here is enter the new product number, A0210000742, hit the Tab key, quantity 1, Tab again, and it tells you that's a carburetor. Obviously, we do not want to order the superseded part number because it's no longer available. We will highlight that row, scroll down, and remove that order from our line. And for the third item, we'll be using an invalid product number and how to resolve this issue. Our part number for this instance will be a 88888, and we'll want quantity 3 of those. As you can see, a box pops up saying that the product is either not loaded in the Jerry Pate database, invalid, or not authorized for purchase. And we're asking that you contact customer service for details or enter a note with the part number and quantity requested using the Insert a Note function. If you click on this hyperlink, it will take you to the Contact Us section, which will send an email to customer service. One of our representatives will contact you via email and provide any additional information that they can find. For this scenario, we're going to insert a note requesting the part number, and we have verified that it is valid. So we'll close this, highlight the red row, which tells us the part number is invalid, and remove it from our order. And then we'll scroll down below Remove an Order line and insert a note. Again, our part number is 58, so 12345 space QTY, and we'll want 3 of those. And click OK. Now, as you can see, this does not pre-populate a price because the part number is not loaded in the Jerry Pate database or is invalid. What this does is add a note to your order submission requesting customer service to look into your request. If we find that the part number is valid, we'll add it to the order for you in the quantity that's requested. If we find that the part number is invalid, we'll reply back to your order confirmation stating that the item is invalid and was not added to your order. From here, we'll go back to our home screen and we'll move on to scenario number 2. In this step, we'll be using Order Express to enter an order by copying and pasting from an outside source. Our outside source for this scenario is Excel, Microsoft Excel, and we'll be copying and pasting from there directly into the system and having the Order Express function do the work for us. We'll start by clicking on Order Express, And as you can see, instructions on how to copy and paste a product list are loaded here. If we click on that, those instructions are available to you with examples and available for print. What we've done is create a parts list similar to the one in scenario 1 that has good items, bad items, superseded items, and items in different format. We're going to call this parts list bad. Our column A is our item number, and column B is the quantity requested. You simply start in column A or in cell A1 and copy down to cell B and the final row in your column. Right click, copy, go to JPOnline, and in the first field under product number, right click, paste, and the system will do the work for you by uploading the descriptions, price, and subtotals based on the quantity requested. As you can see, our box popped back up, same one from scenario number 1. We'll close that box, highlight the row, and remove it from our order. Enter our line again. Click OK. Now we've added our note, and we need to fix our superseded item. So we'll enter the part number from the description. Hit Tab, select the same quantity of number 2, and remove the superseded item from our order. Now we have a complete list of the products and quantities that we've requested. We know our price on all of the products that are loaded in the JPOnline database, and we know the order subtotal based on the quantity requested. Let's go back to our home screen, and we'll start on scenario number 3, uploading a list of products. For our third scenario, we'll be using the same list as the second scenario, except we'll be uploading it from a comma-separated values file, or CSV. We'll start by clicking on Order Express, and notice that Upload a List of Products instructions is right here, and it tells you that a comma-separated CSV file is the only file applicable for this situation. So as you can see, we've got a blank purchase order number field along with an order entry field. We'll click on Upload a List of Products, choose our file, and under Type you'll see it's Microsoft Excel comma-separated values file. We'll click Upload, and it tells you 7 products have been added to your cart successfully, and the following products could not be added to the cart. And it asks you, from here you can click and upload an additional file. We'll close and see the items have been added to our cart and the quantities requested, and we still have our superseded item here. We'll fix that by entering the new item and the same quantity. Hitting Tab, seeing that that does return a carburetor, highlighting our superseded part number, and then removing it from the order. As you can see, all of our products are good, and our subtotals at the bottom. We'll go back to our home screen to summarize what we've talked about today. In this video, we talked about the 3 ways to use Order Express. 1, with the conventional data entry method. 2, by copying and pasting from an outside source. And 3, uploading from a comma-separated values file. At any time, once these orders have been confirmed and accurate, you can click on Place the Order below to take you to the order confirmation screen. If at any time you need assistance, the information that's returned is unclear, or you'd like additional information, please use the Contact Us feature to notify our customer service department, and one of our representatives will be back in contact with you in a timely manner to provide that information requested. Thank you for watching, and please use the Contact Us feature to provide us with feedback on this video or requests for additional instructional videos you'd like to see in the future. As always, we at the Jerry Paint Company wish you the highest level of success and thank you sincerely for your continued business.